Okay. So now let's see how T cells and beta cells got activated. So you know there are different types of T cells, but all of those T cells came from a one common source. They came from the one common source called the naive T cells. But naive T cells produce all types of beta cells. But from where the naive T cells get that information? That what type of helper T cells they need to produce? What type of beta cells? What type of memory cells they need to produce? What type of suppressor cells they need to produce? So from where the T cells get that education? It comes from the members of the macrophage. Macrophage is a phagocyte, is a one member of our immune system which lives in the tissues, and its job is to capture and it's to eat the bad thing. But it is eating the bad thing in a different way. When it eats the bad thing, I told you earlier, with the help of that famous movie, क्या था नाम उसका, Ratatouille, उसमें food critic होता है, food critic. पिछले वाले students को बताया. The food critic was that वो खाना खाते हैं, they are not only eating, they are eating and evaluating. जैसे आपके घर में कोई मेहमान आता है ना, ऐसा कोई होता है जिसको बंदे को दिल करता है, उसको बंदा सुनाए चीज ना, 3 मिनट से मैंने खाना पकाया, चंगा सी बस जरा लून तेज सी, अच्छा था लेकिन थोड़ी जी ए चीज अगर पा दे देना तो क्या ही बात. There are people who are not only eating but they are evaluating. So macrophage are the ones who are not only destroying the bacteria, they capture the bacteria, they are eating. Phagocytosis, you people know. They are fragmenting the bacteria, they are destroying the bacteria, but also they are evaluating it ki hai kya. So they create lots of fragments of bacteria. That's very important. And then they present those antigens. One bacteria can be fragmented into different ways. One bacteria can be destroyed, chewed, and fragmented into different ways. उसके proteins टुकड़े हो सकते हैं, उसका DNA भी टुकड़े हो जाएगा. So a fragmented material coming from the bacteria present right within the macrophage. Macrophage की body के अंदर उस bacteria का टूटे फूटे dead bodies के टुकड़े पड़े हैं. The macrophage will going to put all those fragments of the bacteria, of the pathogen onto its head. वो उसको अपने सर पे उठा लेता है मैक्रोफेज. ओके, वो उस पैथोजन के टुकड़े कहां पे हैं? विदिन द बैक्टीरिया, विदिन द मैक्रोफेज. वहीं पर फैगोसाइटोसिस होएगा, वहीं पर फ्रैगमेंट्स बनेंगे. they take those fragments of bacteria and then transfer them, हम इसको पढ़ेंगे, and then transfer them onto the surface of the macrophage. Now ये जो macrophage है, this macrophage is different. इसे सिर्फ खाया नहीं है, इसने खाने के बाद उन टुकड़ों को, उन antigens को, उन components of bacteria को they loaded on their surface, they presented on their surface. That is why they are also called as antigen presenting cells और APC. ये वाली टर्म आप बहुत ज्यादा सुनेंगे, पेपर्स में पढ़ेंगे और अगर आप स्टडी करेंगे रिसर्च में. APCs mean the cells which are able to present the antigens, antigen presenting cells. So the macrophage क्या करेगा? It will going to, जैसे अपने सर के ऊपर उठा लेते हैं, it will going to load, सर पे उठा लेगा fragments of bacteria. It may be a protein of bacteria, it may be lipoprotein of a bacteria, it may be parts of the membrane of bacteria, it might be some polysaccharide of that bacteria, some fragments of bacteria loaded on the surface of macrophage. Now this situation allows the T cells to feel those antigens. जैसे जो लोग खुदा ना खासा देख नहीं पाते हैं, they can feel the shape with the help of their hands, with the help of their hands like this. Okay, it is like, it seems like this, इसका structure ऐसा है. They can feel the surface and they can create the image in their head, in their mind about that object by using their senses, other senses, like sense of touch. So the T cells, they are carrying a receptor called MHC, the major histocompatibility complex. That receptor is present on that receptor is the major histocompatibility complex is present on the surface of the macrophage. Is present on the surface of macrophage. Make it very clear. It is present on the surface of macrophage. What is the job of MHC? Major histocompatibility complex एक receptor है. What is the job? The job of major histocompatibility complex is to present the antigens to the T cells. Is to keep the antigens on the surface so that T cells can see it. So that is the connection from where the trouble is actually communicated to the T cells. Now every T cell has a receptor called TCR. This is called T cell receptor. So every T cell is carrying a receptor which is called TCR. T cell receptor is designed to touch. It is designed to bind or capture with MHC. मैं भी तस्वीर दिखा दूंगा, सब क्लियर हो जाएगा. मैं जान के चाहता हूं कि आप खुद अपने दिमाग में अपनी अपनी पिक्चर बनाएं. So I'm like narrating a story and you are creating an image in your head. So the TCR is present on the T cell. It is designed to dock or to bind with the MHC. And MHC is present on the surface of macrophage. What if the macrophage is not carrying any trouble? If the macrophage is not carrying any bad thing, there will be no MHCs over there, or there will be MHCs without any antigen. So when the TCR of the T cell connects with the MHC, it finds nothing. The T cell was supposed to be naive. It will stay naive because it did not find anything weird. It go away means no problem. Nothing bad is going on. यहाँ पर कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं है, यहाँ पर कुछ weird नहीं हो रहा है. Now think about the macrophage who just captured a bacteria. अभी एक macrophage ने bacteria खाया है. It not only destroy the bacteria but also present that bacteria on the surface. So MHC with an antigen of a bacteria. Now if the T cell came close to the MHC, it finds something weird over there. That weird part belongs to the bacteria. And that is the first time the T cell believes, oh, something is there. Something non-self is there. And that is how a T cell is educated about the presence of an infection, the presence of the bad thing. That is how the T cell came to know, oh my God, something is there. So about that antigen. If that connection is like a defining moment where immune system will start taking its shape. Because after that, once the T cell sense, oh my God, there is something weird, that T cell receptor will trigger the T cell from the naive cell into a mature T cell. Now this T cell is different because it's no longer mature. It just had an experience of a new thing. It will start differentiation. It will start the process of cell division. The T cell will start dividing as well as it will start differentiation and convert into the 4 types of T cells you just studied. Iska helper T cell banega, it convert into memory T cells, it convert into other sorts of T cells. Okay. Now look, that things should be very easy from this picture. I should not explain you, by the way. I believe, I wish. Kashif, anybody else wants to explain that picture? अच्छा इधर आजा. आपने एक पिक्चर बतानी है कि ये क्या हो रहा है. आपका माउस जब इसके ऊपर मूव करेगा ना तो हम भी देखेंगे कि आप कहां पे मूव करें. ठीक है, इधर आजा. मैं ओवर टू यू काशिफ. ये पिक्चर आपने बतानी है और मैंने ये पिक्चर एक्सप्लेन की है. शाबाश. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? And if you don't know about any of the term, don't worry. Okay?
This is the T cell from the bone marrow, and this over here is the macrophage that has detected that has detected something non-self. This right over here, this little portion, we see the MHC and TCR complex, So this T lymphocyte, which was previously naive T cell, that will be promoted to mature T cell. And then there will be the immune response, and the T cell will start dividing to further.
Shabash. Okay, thank you very much. So that's it. I mean, it seems understandable. Am I right? How T cell is activated? Anybody wants to explain the same thing in a different way, or wants to tell something more? Online students से पूछें, आपको आवाज नहीं आनी, मेरे फोन की लैपटॉप की आवाज इतनी नहीं होगी. Okay, so here is the T cell from the bone marrow. Don't know anything. Enters into thymus. Thymus help the T cells to get mature. Remember, T cells were also born in bone marrow. मगर mature thymus में होते हैं. But anyways, still they are naive. They are moving here and there. They are thinking there is nothing bad over there. All is fine. All is fine. All is fine. And until unless they came across a macrophage. They came across a macrophage which is carrying the bad thing. And where is the bad thing? कोई point out करेगा वो bad thing कहाँ है इस macrophage पे? एक मिनट ठहरो जरा. कौन point out करेगा? हाथ. Which of you? जी आप बताएं कहाँ पर है bad? आपको नजर आ रही है वहाँ से कुछ बोले यहाँ? Can you point out where is that bad stuff? उसका कलर क्या है? शाबाश. Is that thing is a मैं कैसे बताऊँ आपको? If this is a bad thing, the green one. If this is a bad thing, this one is this little stick-like structure. The answer is yes. इन्होंने इसको label नहीं किया है, but you know this fragment, this small little brown color thing came from where? It came from the bacteria, जिसको खाया था macrophage ने, and then presented and loaded on the MSC, ताकि so that the TCR or the T cell should be able to feel it. And once the T cell start feeling it, you know what will happen? It will start cell division. Now this is the important thing. This cell division is triggered because of the learning, because of the information about the antigen. It is an antigen driven cell division. It's an antigen driven process of differentiation. So whatever the 4 different types of T cells will be created, all those 4 different types of T cells belong or produced as a response of one specific antigen. ये सारे के सारे T cells जो है ना वो एक एंटीजन के लिए पैदा हुए हैं. ओके, वो जो MSC TCR कॉम्प्लेक्स में कम्युनिकेट हुआ है. That's very specific. Shabash. Are there a limited number of macrophages? The answer is shabash. Shabash. पूछो. Speak. शाबाश. क्या नाम है आपका? आयशा ने बहुत प्यारा क्वेश्चन किया. Thank you very much. It's a wonderful question. Shabash for today's question. It's a brilliant question. कि अगर मैक्रोफेज ने बैक्टीरिया को खा लिया है, कहानी खत्म. You know, the job is done. This is a bad thing. मैक्रोफेज अब खाने के बाद उसको आगे पास करने की क्या जरूरत है? मतलब अगर आप if you have a bad experience with someone, why you need to tell the rest of the people? वो देखो बच के रहना. You know, if you have a bad experience, you manage to deal with that thing. Full stop. The answer is she already answered the question. The macrophage are not. The first thing is that if we are lucky enough, like there are 200 macrophages out there in the tissues, and their invading bacteria are like 100 or 20 or 25. The macrophage will going to eat them and finish them. That's like our innate immune system. Full stop. Don't need to tell anybody else. Don't need to call the remaining members of the immune system. They were not there. But what if the bacteria start dividing? If the bacteria start dividing, macrophages are like 200. They are not dividing. But the bacteria has a capacity to divide, and they are dividing like from 100 to 200 and 1000 to 2000. Now it is not, the macrophages are not good enough to kill all or to eat all the troubles out there. So they need to pass on that information. ये बिल्कुल ऐसे जैसे रेंजर्स देखते हैं दुश्मन आ रहा है दरवाजे वो चौकी रेंजर की चौकी बॉर्डर के ऊपर, the enemy is coming. First thing, if the enemy is like 4 to 5 people, they will shoot to kill. They will finish them. But if the enemy has a army as well, रेंजर की चौकी का कहेगी, oh, this is not, we need to tell other people. We need to communicate that thing with our main army or our GHQ. So that is the time that it should be passed on to the cell mediator, because it's understandable that it's not going, the bacteria will not going to be killed by the activity of macrophage. It's quite less in number. So that is why it passed on to the T cell. We need a specific, we need a specific response. It's not like a general response. We need cells which are created, which are designed to kill what? To kill that pathogen, not to kill the bacteria which is present in our gut. Are you getting my point? Not to kill the bacteria which are present. For what if you activate the T cells, if you activate the beta cells, they will start producing antibodies, and those antibodies will start killing my own bacteria. My own bacteria means the bacteria present in my gut. I don't want it. I want my immune system to get activated to produce things just to fight against the bad thing only, which I have just experienced. वो जो छोटा सा stick like antigen, छोटा सा, just to fight against that thing. So whatever the bacteria, whatever the hell, whoever the hell is carrying that small little component will be killed as a result of the immune system. Next, before I conclude this session, the beta cells, how the beta cells got activated, they have specific antibodies to bind with specific antigens. That means the beta cells are independent, indigenous, they are good enough. If there is a bad thing, they have the antibodies, they can kill them. Innate immune system. So for example, if a bad thing is moving in the blood, it came across a beta cell, the beta cells has an appropriate antibody, it can kill the antigen. But the activity and efficiency was very low. What if the trouble is very big? What if the trouble is very or dividing very faster? The beta cells can also eat the bad thing, and they can also present it. They can also present it to the T cells. And beta cells, when touched by the T cell, the beta cell eats a bad thing, engulf it like a macrophage, present it on the surface, touched by the T cells. कौन सा T cell आएगा beta cell के पास? Helper T cell, because it is. The question is that, सवाल ये है कि helper T cells beta cells को activate करते हैं. What if the helper T cells are not there? Okay, that's one thing. If the helper T cells are not there, the beta cells will proceed in a limited way. They will proceed with whatever the less capacity they are having. Like their efficiency is like 5% or 10%. With whatever the specific antibodies they are carrying, they will use them to kill the bad thing. If the helper T cell is not there. But if the helper T cell is there, इसका मतलब क्या है? No. If the helper T cell, what is the मतलब of the presence of helper T cell over there? If beta cells को activate करने वाला helper T cell मौजूद है, इसका मतलब क्या है? And beta cell is also capturing the antibody. Oh, sorry, the beta cell is also capturing the antigen. वो भी खा रहा है बैड थिंग को, वो प्रेजेंट भी कर रहा है. हेल्पर टी सेल्स की मौजूदगी किसकी चीज की तरफ इशारा करती है? हेल्पर टी सेल्स की मौजूदगी किस चीज की तरफ इशारा करती है? इसका मतलब है रफड़ बड़ा है. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? इसका मतलब ये हुआ एडॉप्टिव इम्यून सिस्टम वाज ऑलरेडी एक्टिवेटेड. The bad thing was captured somewhere else before. It means the T cells are differentiated. The T cells were divided and they were differentiated and they produce all these 4 cells. One of them is helper T cell. The presence of helper T cells also means the problem is there. There is a problem. Immune cell is activated. So that means the helper T cells presence indicate the severity or the gravity of the situation. That is why the limited action of beta cell is not good enough. So we need to push the beta cells to do what? To differentiate and to produce plasma cells as well as the memory cells. क्योंकि गड़बड़ बड़ी है. ठीक है? शाबाश. गुड. जी जी काशिफ, आपका क्वेश्चन. नहीं. थाइमस में बस टी सेल्स बनते हैं, मैच्योर होते हैं और फिर बाहर जहां पर साइट ऑफ इन्फेक्शन है, जहां पर फाइटिंग हो रही है, ये सब वहां का करने वाला काम. और लिम्फ नोड्स भी बन सकते हैं जहां पर इनकी मुलाकात होगी। थाइमस डिसअपियर नहीं होता, थाइमस इज a structure present here. I mean, it's a structure over there. The job is to help the T cells to become mature, and then the T cells enters into the blood and the lymphatic system. अब ये मुलाकात कहाँ पे होगी? It depends वो आपको कहाँ मिलता है। मतलब आपको गुस्सा है, आपका पास एक बैड एक्सपीरियंस है, आपने अपने दोस्तों को बताना है। फोन पे मिल सकता है, घर में मिल सकता है, गली में मिल सकता है, जितने मिलेगा उतने दस हैं। इनको बच के रही। The trouble is out there. Okay, so helper T cells की मौजूदगी means go ahead to proceed further because the problem is there. We need massive response. We need strong response, and that response is communicated with the help of small molecules called cytokines. Cytokines are secreted by the T cells. It activates the beta cells, push them to proliferate and to produce plasma cells. आपने एक टर्म सुनी होगी जो मैंने शुरू में इसका जिक्र किया था, साइटोकिन स्टॉर्म। फर्स्ट जो लेयर थी कोविड की, ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट वेव ऑफ कोविड बहुत सारे लोगों की जान गई थी साइटोकिन स्टॉर्म की वजह से। ट्रंप बच गया था, वैसे उसको भी साइटोकिन स्टॉर्म अटैक हुआ था, बट उस वक्त तक हम बहुत अब हम बहुत कुछ सीख चुके हैं। आई टोल्ड यू द अदर डे लाइक वी the number of deaths are much less as compared to the number of infections we are receiving. I'm talking about the world. So cytokine storm is like if your immune system needs to respond, it needs to fire, it needs to share, but not to share the things out of proportion. मैं जितना अगर रफड़ है ना उतनी खप डालनी चाहिए। कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, वो उनको हल्का से, जो छोटे बहन भाई ऐसे करते हैं, मेरी छोटी वाली तो ऐसे करती है, उसको पूरी मार देना, वो कहेगी मुझे चपेट मार दिया। वो छोटे बच्चे बड़े भाई को डांट पड़वाने के लिए, बड़ी बहन को डांट पड़वाने के लिए, छोटा सा भी कुछ किया ना वो उसको एम्पलीफाई कर देते हैं। साइटोकिन स्टॉर्म, if the immune system will keep sending the signals, keep pushing the beta cells to go proceed further. Remember, one type of trouble means one type of activation of immune system. It's a very expensive thing, it's a very expensive activity. हमारे resources लगते हैं बहुत सारे ये काम करने। If your immune system will keep pushing, keep producing like more and more beta cells not required, or maybe unwanted beta cells activation होना शुरू हो जाए, तो beta cells जो है it's like firing on the off target. Ammunition is there and you are firing at the off target places. So in that case your body's responses will be consumed. So in that case doctor क्या करते हैं? Doctor will push your immune system to cool down, so ताकि वो बहुत ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्स करके यही चीज जान ले। पहले फर्स्ट वेव में बहुत सारे लोगों की जान इसी वजह से गई है। इसको कहते हैं साइटोकिन स्टॉर्म। फॉर योर लक, माय सेल फोन इज सेइंग, माय लैपटॉप इज सेइंग द बैटरी इज वेरी लो, बट आई बिलीव आई विल बी एबल टू कंप्लीट दैट लेक्चर। जी हाँ, कोई पैथोजन जो हाँ जो हमारे पहले वाले रिसोर्सेज से हम जिसको नहीं किल कर सकते। शाबाश, गुड क्वेश्चन। क्या नाम है? नेहा ने पूछा मेरे से कि सर आपने कहा बीटा सेल्स के पास स्पेसिफिक एंटीबॉडी होती है, तो अगर एक चीज से मिले नहीं है तो उससे रिलेटेड स्पेसिफिक एंटीबॉडी क्या होती है? मैंने ये जुमला नहीं बोला था कि उनके पास बैक्टीरिया से स्पेसिफिक एंटीबॉडी होती है, मैंने ये बोला था कि उनके पास एक स्पेसिफिक एंटीबॉडी होती है। if there are like 100,000 types of beta cells, they will be carrying 100,000 specific antibody, वक्री एंटीबॉडीज। इट्स नॉट कि वो पहले से मौजूद किससे मैच करेगी कि नहीं करेगी। भाई क्वेश्चन आंसर सवाल मजे का है, यानी कि ये जरूरी नहीं है। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? मैंने ये बोला था कि वो कहते हैं ना अब तो लेक्चर भी रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, मुझे याद है, पता नहीं हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है। सो मैंने जो बोला था दैट वाज लाइक every beta cell is carrying a specific antibody. It's not about specific antibody about every other bacteria over there. उनको तो पता ही नहीं है बाहर कौन से। It's like creating all possible antibodies. अगर आपको पता होगा इस चीज से कुछ चीज किल हो सकती, you are creating all possible specific antibodies. So we have a range of specific antibodies. उनमें से कौन सा काम करेगा who knows? Okay, वो डिपेंड करता है कि जो आया है, फर्ज करते हैं जो इन्वेडिंग बैक्टीरिया आया है, जो ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट बीटा सेल्स हैं, one of the combination will going to find, one of the combination will going to work. अगेंस्ट द इन्वेडिंग, क्योंकि बहुत सारे कॉम्बिनेशन उनमें से कोई एक काम कर जाएगा। लेकिन हमारे लिए अहम क्या है, इम्यून सिस्टम के लिए अहम क्या है, उन हजारों बीटा सेल्स में से सिर्फ उसको पिक करें जिसका कॉम्बिनेशन क्लोज है, जिसका कॉम्बिनेशन मैच करेगा। द बीटा सेल should be selected which has a specific antibody which can capture the antigen, जो आने वाले एंटीजन कैप्चर, बाकी सारों को ना करे। दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। सो हेल्पर टी सेल ऑलरेडी got educated about the bad thing, so it will pick and it will select and it will activate the closely related beta cells, ताकि वही वाले, वरना अगर हम सबको कर देंगे तो तबाही हो जाएगी। नेचर में बड़े बड़े वियर्ड किस्म के कंट्रोल है जो हमें 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 शायद उसका आइडिया ना हो। मैं भी आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं। जी काशिफ, आपका क्वेश्चन। प्रोबेबिलिटी है, इट्स लाइक ए प्रोबेबिलिटी। हम मोर और लेस सेम होते हैं इसलिए क्योंकि हम सरवाइव कर सकते हैं एक ही एनवायरनमेंट में, लेकिन ये आइडेंटिकल नहीं होते बिकॉज हम कभी कभी एक ही एनवायरनमेंट में वी गॉट सिक डिफरेंटली। गूगल करके आइए निकाल। काशिफ ने कहा एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं जिससे हम सारी की सारी पॉसिबल एंटीबॉडीज कॉम्बिनेशन बना लेते हैं, एंटीजन के हिसाब से जितनी भी पॉसिबल एंटीजन आर आउट देयर, हम उतने पॉसिबल एंटीबॉडीज वाले बीटा सेल बना लेते हैं। दैट विल बी अ सॉल्यूशन। ठीक है, गूगल इट, ओके, एंड देन केम बैक टुमारो। ओके, पीपल आर वर्किंग ऑन दिस थिंग, इट्स अ गुड थिंग, शाबाश। थिंक लाइक दिस। मैंने जो पहले आपको वियर्ड बात बताई थी, क्रिएटिंग अ नेचुरल किलर सेल टू किल स्पेसिफिक सेल, it's like that. Okay, so beta cells can form, that is how the beta cells got activated. So this is the difference. It's quite easy. The secondary response, when the second time it came, it's usually more efficient because we have the information, we have the memory cells. Okay, so that's it from the first lecture.